Hey, this is Fred Van Allen, First Team Real Estate Christie's. I want to send you a little bit of end of summer inspiration, maybe. Have you made plans to do big things in the summer and never done them? Well, here's three quick little ideas of some projects you can do before the end of the summer. Now, I've got two projects or three projects possibly that you cannot do, but will make you lots of money on your home. I advise folks never to do the refinishing of their hardwood floors themselves. Very difficult. If you make a mistake, you can't fix it. But here in Southern California, freshly refinished and redone hardwood floors will make you money, but just don't do it yourself. That's my opinion. Number two, solar can help you make money. Obviously, you don't do that yourself. And number three, getting your home certified green according to studies at UCLA and USC, so you can make up to or over 9% more on your home by having a home certified green. So if you'd like to know how to do that, reach out to me. And it's great to do projects that make you money. So many of those projects don't. So if you're thinking of selling, reach out to me. I'll tell you what to do and what not to do. Okay. All my contact information is here. You have a great day. Take care.